Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Lore, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very easy tutorial that you can do with your kids. And you will need some pieces of textured watercolor paper, a pencil and one watercolor brush. We will outline a shape of any animal you want, like a very easy outline shape. Then we will wet the whole shape with clean water with your brush. Make sure to wet all the animal on the inside, and then just we'll apply some watercolors on top and you can create your very original creations. You can also download my coloring pages and outline the shape of any animal you want. I will leave the link down below for you to get. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this very easy tutorial and that you can paint it with your kids and maybe have some fun together.